Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm going to talk about a modified 1-2-3 dip strategy. Why? Because Bitcoin's going crazy. Nearly hit 18,000 today. By the time you see this video, it might. It's currently consolidating at about 17.5. And a lot of times you won't get three dips in a market like this, even on the altcoins. So anyway, I'll walk you through one of the trades I had this morning. Let's go to the iCoinPro buddy coin crawler. So this morning, as is my usual practice, I went through my analysis, came across the buddy coin crawler, and I was looking at this coin here, Hard Protocol. It's fairly new. It's only been out for a few weeks. But I like this, 12% from the average low to the SMA line. That means it's got room to move. So I've got my drop-down menu here. I click on Trading View, and I go check it out. I've already marked up a chart, so let's look at that one. So here's what I'm looking at this morning. Overnight, it's trading in this range, over 70 cents, but it's heading down quite a bit. And Bitcoin's not dumping at this time, so this seems to be either an issue with this particular coin, maybe it's just going through a dip sequence, or as is common when Bitcoin shoots up quite a bit, sometimes the altcoins, people take money from altcoins to buy Bitcoin. So regardless, it's in a dip sequence. It's kind of in a squeeze here, but it's starting to bubble. So I go ahead and count this as one dip, this is two dips, and this is three dips. One could argue that it's still in a squeeze here and that this is the first dip and this is the second dip. But regardless, when the market's pumping like this, you look for what you can get. Sometimes I'll add a MACD cross down here as an additional indicator. But in this situation, I've got three consolidation candles here. I go ahead and jump in. And I'm in at this figure here at 0.5972. I buy this coin at 8:19 a.m. this morning. Now regarding an exit point, I've got a few options. I've got the 20-day moving average here, this orange line. This pink line here is the SMA line. I've got the, actually, this is the other line I was going to mention. But sitting on this line here, this is the bottom Bollinger Band. This up here is the MA99. So that's the 99-day moving average. So I'm thinking up here is kind of ambitious. Even the SMA line is quite a big jump from where I am. So I like this range here. This right about on the 20-day moving average, halfway between my purchase point and the SMA line. So that's where I'm looking to exit. So I set my exit at 63.79. And I'm only in this coin for an hour. It takes me out at 9:17 a.m. I've got a 6.708% profit. Again, when the market's pumping like this, you can set higher profit points. It is riskier, but I think it's worth it. If it goes against me and comes down to another sequence, there's always ladder buying. I've talked about ladder buying in prior videos, sort of like dollar cost averaging in stocks. It's where you can buy at a lower price, average out the 2 or 3 purchases you've made, and the overall trade ends up being more profitable because more money is in it. So I had a good ladder buy result overnight. I may do a video on that soon. I haven't touched on ladder buying in a while, so it's sort of the how to save a trade when it goes against you, even if you do everything right. But I'm off the subject. That's all I have today for the modified 1-2-3 dip strategy, how to do it in a hot market. I will talk to you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.